After gaining a basic knowledge of stock market, Idiot Jake has recently lost thousands of money 3 times in a row. Every time he bought a stock, it went down. Every time he sold one, it went up after some time. He thought the stock market was rigged against him. But one conversation with his beautiful friend Emma, who was a financial expert, has changed everything. What she revealed next were 5 golden rules that most investors never learn. And those rules completely transformed the way Jake looked at the stock market.
Emma, I'm done. The stock market just isn't for me.
What happened this time, Jake?
Same thing as always. I bought a stock because everyone online was talking about it. 2 days later, it crashed like my paper plane.
Let me guess, you bought it because you were afraid of missing out?
Well, pretty much, yes.
Then you broke the first golden rule of stock market, which is the crowd is usually late.
Wait, what?
Most people think following the crowd is safe, but in reality, by the time everyone is talking about a certain stock, the biggest gains may already be gone.
I'm confused, Emma. So you're saying popularity can be dangerous?
Exactly. Imagine you want to gift your mother a bikini costing $50, and suddenly, everyone wants that same bikini, because of which the price jumps to $300. Would you rather buy before the crowd arrives or after?
Obviously before, Emma.
The same idea applies to stocks. Successful investors don't chase excitement. They look for value before the crowd notices it.
That's the opposite of what most people do.
That's the main reason why most people don't get extraordinary results in stock market. Protecting money is more important than making money.
That sounds a little bit strange.
Let me explain, you idiot, Jake. If you lose 50% of your money, you don't need a 50% gain to recover. You need a 100% gain to recover the full amount.
Wow, I never thought about it like that.
Think of investing like a football match. Best defense wins championships. The best investors focus on avoiding huge losses first. Profits come second. Their primary focus is on protecting their principal amount first.
So risk management isn't boring, it's actually the secret weapon.
Exactly. Time is more powerful than perfect stock picks.
Everyone online keeps searching for the next big winner.
That's because finding a magic stock sounds exciting. But here's a secret most people overlook. Time can beat talent.
But how?
Imagine investor A earns 20% per year for 10 years. Investor B earns 10% per year for 30 years. Because of compounding, investor B often ends up far wealthier as compared to investor A.
So staying invested matters more than constantly jumping around?
Exactly. The market rewards patience more than intelligence. Buy businesses, not stock symbols.
Isn't that the same thing?
Not at all. Most people see a stock ticker. Successful investors see a business. Suppose someone offered you ownership in a local coffee shop. Wouldn't you want to know if it's profitable?
Of course.
Yet people buy stocks every day without knowing how the company makes money. They treat stocks like lottery tickets.
So before investing, I should understand the business itself.
Exactly. When you own great businesses, temporary market drops become much less scary. Your emotions are your biggest competitor.
I thought other investors were my competition.
Nope. The biggest battle happens in your own mind. Fear makes people sell at the bottom. Greed makes people buy at the top.
That sounds familiar.
Let me give you an example. Imagine a store announces a 50% discount. People rush to buy. But when stocks go on sale after a market drop, many investors panic and run away.
That's completely backwards.
Exactly. The market often rewards people who can stay calm while everyone else is emotional.
So success isn't just about knowledge.
It's also about controlling your reactions.
Let me see if I got everything right.
Go ahead.
Rule number 1, don't blindly follow the crowd. Rule number 2, protect your money before chasing profits. Rule number 3, time in the market beats trying to be perfect. Rule number 4, buy businesses, not stock symbols. Rule number 5, master your emotions because they're your biggest enemy.
Perfect.
You know what's funny?
What?
None of these rules involve predicting the future.
Exactly. That's what most people misunderstand about investing. The greatest investors aren't fortune tellers. They're disciplined decision makers.
Emma, I came here thinking I needed a better stock tip. Now I realize I needed better rules.
And that's the difference between gambling and investing.
Thanks, Emma.
Anytime. The stock market doesn't reward the smartest person in the room. It rewards the person who can stay patient, disciplined, and consistent for years.
If you found these golden rules valuable, leave a comment telling us which rule surprised you the most.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing insights that can help you make smarter financial decisions. See you in the next video.